Easter is coming up, and what would be better than making egg cups? Today I'm making 3 different kind of egg cups. The first one is super simple. All you need are some leather scraps, an X-Acto knife and a leather strap cutter. And this one can actually be used as a napkin holder as well. Just cut a strip of leather. Mine is about 16 centimeters long. In both ends, cut half the way through on the opposite sides. Turn it into a circle and attach both ends to each other, and voila! A leather egg cup or a napkin holder. Next up, I'm going to use wood. I have some ash here and it will be a perfect tray, and in that tray I'm going to have an egg cup. So I'm going to shape this into a nice tray and drill a hole with this 35mm Forstner bit. And I also have this glued up walnut and birch, and I think I might be able to do some egg cups using the Forstner bit and just a bandsaw with this one. So I'm going to start by shaping this. Now before I finish this off, I'm going to put a small chamfer on the edge. That will make it easier lifting it up, and I think it will look good as well. So I'm going to finish these off with this cutting board wax I did in another video. It's food graded, so it's perfect for this. Now for the last one, I'm going to turn my head and all of my family's heads into egg cups. And this is a bit more complicated. To be able to 3D print my head, I need to do some 3D scanning. In a previous video I made, I copied my head using photogrammetry. Photogrammetry is basically taking a ton of photos and then turning them into a 3D model by using some software. Luckily, I've made this before with my head and I have a video about it, and you can see it linked down in the description. But for the rest of the family, I'm going to use this app called Bellus 3D. I'm not sponsored by them. You basically do a scan with your phone, it tells you what to do, and after it's done you can export an STL file from the app for about $1.
Look at the camera.
Turn left. Turn to the middle. Turn right. Turn to the middle.
Tilt your head up.
Turn to the middle.
Tilt your head down.
Turn to the middle. Capture completed.
And when that is done, I can manipulate it in Mesh Mixer, creating a hole for the egg and add some kind of base to it. And finally, I can 3D print it. Started a 3D print about 3 hours ago, so I'm going to see if it's done now. It's just... Oh yeah, look at this. And there's the bowl for the egg. Well, that's actually pretty good. It looks like me. And there we have it, 3 different kind of egg cups, or 4 actually, since I made this one as well. The 3D printed ones are my favorite for sure. What better way than making egg eating fun than eating an egg out of your own head? Totally unnecessary, but fun. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and hit the thumbs up if you like this project, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.